Today we're going to be taking a look at the new Cooler Master Lights keyboard and mouse combo. First thing I've got to say is this weighs quite a bit. It's very heavy and it's solid, no flex really at all. So I'd say it's really high quality. I guess let's plug this in and see what it looks like. That's the exciting part. Alright, well I've got to say, initial impressions, very nice, high quality. The RGB lighting on here is fantastic. The switches I really like, really nice feel to it. I would definitely recommend this, and for the price point I think I paid £24 for this, and £24 for a gaming keyboard is absolutely nothing at all. So I'll give this one a 10 out of 10 and would recommend it to anyone, especially if you don't have the £150, £160 budget to go out and buy a top of the range gaming keyboard. And to be quite honest, I went and I tested a lot of the top of the range gaming keyboards, and I prefer the feel of the buttons on this keyboard. They've got a mechanical feel to them. 10 out of 10 for this. We have one more person that we're going to test this out on. Let's bring in our director.
Me!
What do you think?
I like the buttons because I like buttons that do that. I don't like those.
Okay. What about the lights?
They're very pretty.
10 out of 10?
Yes.
Yeah? Winner?
Yeah.
You recommend it to everyone on YouTube? Where do they get it from?
Amazon?
And there's a link in
the description below.
Take care.
Bye.